Hey there, welcome to another render demo how to draw video tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through how to draw a strawberry. Let's get started. So I'm going to draw the main shape of the strawberry. So it's going to be a pointed, curvy kind of shape like this. And we're going to go up to the right like this, and then we'll hook back. Alright, so we're not going to close this off because we're going to put the green flower part up there, the stem of the stem. So let's draw that in right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a leafy type shape like this, and then so I'm starting outside, it's hanging over, and I'm going to come up like that and over. So if my strawberry's tilted just slightly over like that, so the stem's going to be right about here, something like that, okay? And then I'm going to come over this way, and the other leaf is going to be hanging over this side. Kind of put a little bit of bend in it, like that. And then we can draw two, maybe let's draw three more. So we're going to draw a pointy shape like this over here, stop about here, and then I'll draw one, make this one maybe a little bit too long, put this one back a bit. So I'll start about here, I'll draw another one down this way, and then just like a curve like that, and then we'll put one more down the center here. So this one will be pointed like this, and we'll come and connect like that. And then for the stem, we'll have this stem kind of up here, tilted to the right, like that, and then come up and over, just like that. Now let's draw these like seed type shapes that are inside of the strawberry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of like an imaginary line like this, one here, something like that, just to give me a starting point. So it's really faint, you may not be able to see it that well, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these kind of like these triangular shapes that are pointed downward. One, two, three, and four, and I'm going to try to stay, as close to that line that I drew in there. And then over here we'll draw a couple more. Just like that. I'll draw one up in here. I don't like the shape of that one. Let me redo that one. That, we'll put one up in here. And then we'll draw a couple more over here. Just like that. Alright, so there you go. We have those little seed shapes drawn in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have kind of like a shadow on this side. So this will be a little bit darker red than the red over here. And then there'll be kind of like a highlight area right over here. It's a little bit of a brighter spot. But that's about it. There we go. We just drew a strawberry. That didn't take long. That was pretty quick. I'm going to go and use my ink pen and trace this. All right, I'm going to color the strawberry in. We're going to use an orange for the seeds. And then we're going to do a green stem with some leaf shapes on it. And then the rest of the strawberry will be red. there you go. We just drew a strawberry in a few simple steps. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to our channel. Check out some other cool videos that we have. And we will see you at another time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.